It's your boy Codehova from Fly Combinator or Pimpin' Swift, and I'm gonna be talking about breaking out of loops. It could be breaking out of for loops, while loops, repeat while loops, any type of loop. But anyways, this is the code from the previous video on the while loop. So just to reiterate, it's like the hustler is starting with a single dollar, and day zero, just when he starts, it's gonna be zero for now. So while his bank is under $1 million, he's gonna add whatever he has in the bank. Each time this block runs, he's gonna double up, and after he doubles up, we're just gonna increment the day. Okay. So if we run this, we're gonna see that it's gonna take 20 days for the hustler to go over $1 million. But let's just say we know that the hustler on the 7th day is gonna get locked up. Okay, so what we're gonna do is, if days in the game is equal to 7, okay, on day 7, if we know that he's gonna get locked up, what we want to do is break. When you say break within a loop, it's just going to stop whatever is in here. It won't care about the bank being under $1 million. If you write in the code, and if this block runs because the days in the game is equal to 7, okay, you're gonna break out, and once you break out of a loop, the loop is done. It's not gonna continue running. Okay, so if we run this, we'll see on day 7 in the game the hustler's bank is $128. All right, I mean, we all know that the war on drugs, it's a scam, and the homeboy is gonna get caught after 7 days of hustling. All right, he's gonna get caught with whatever he was selling, and on day 7 with $128 to his name, homeboy is gonna get locked up. So that's how we do it. So just to make it a little more descriptive, let's say hustler gets locked up on day, and let's string interpolate days in the game. Alright, so if we run this, boom, on day 7 in the game, the hustler's bank is $128. But because we have this if statement within this while loop, if days in the game is equal to 7, right here, we're on day 7, print hustler gets locked up on day 7. And after this print statement, we're breaking out the block. And once you break out, this has stopped running. Alright, so that's what you need to know about breaking out of loops. It's your boy Codehova. Let's get it.